How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix a broadcast channel not showing, firstly ensure you have a professional mode on your Instagram. For this, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, click on the three horizontal line at the top. Right from here, scroll down until you see the option of account type and tools. Now, if you are using a professional account, then you will not see this option. However, if you have the personal account, you will have to switch to professional account. Once you switch into professional account, and if you still cannot see the broadcast channel option, then your application needs an update. Also, make sure that you have at least of thousands of followers in your Instagram account. Now, there might also be cache built up that you need to remove. In order to do so, press and hold onto Instagram, tap on the app info. From here, force stop and OK. Head to storage and cache and tap on the clear cache button. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. This is how you can easily fix the Instagram broadcast channel not showing. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.